My name is Jürgen Hohen. This is a 3 of 80 tutorial series, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Configuration Overview. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a studios, builders, Einstein and setup. There's calendar campaigns and the studios, email studio, mobile studio, social studio. Right? Under B are the builders. You build things like journeys, journey builder, automations, content builder, audience builder, or segment. And then C is the connection, Einstein. And then D there is the setup. And next we'll go to setup because this tutorial is about Salesforce Marketing Cloud setup. This is the setup assistant in setup. And then you go like the business units and data management and all that other stuff, which we'll go into in the next couple slides. And then C is basically feature setting, etc. Over here, under D, you follow the setup. Enable Okta, setup, key management, enable Einstein, content tagging, right where my image is. When you turn that on, you get a lot more of the analytics. Is this a horse? Is this a dog? Send time optimization. It listens to when people open things, right? When's the best time to send it? And you need to train it. It's not instant. You need to train it. You need to enable it. It starts listening. You configure it. Next, file drop, file locations. Where can you connect? Where you adjust audiences, file locations. B, you can see the name, Salesforce, maybe business units, or an external FTP. That's where C is. So at SFTP, you can drop a file in there. Next, provisioning a business unit. You go to business units, you enable it, you name it, A, B, you assign roles to the business unit. And then C, you can see where it is. 48 is number of users. So Marketing Cloud doesn't have the restrictions of so many users and each user seat costs money. You can have 1,000 users. It's by business unit. All right, then you have to assign roles. You can have multiple roles, but in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the most restrictive role overrides any other permissions. I made myself administrator and content creator, and all of a sudden I couldn't do any administration stuff. Why? Because content creator overrules administrator. I had to call my boss, could you please unassign content creator to me, sign into Marketing Cloud. Next, send classifications, super important. Transactionals have no limits and commercial have all these limits and rules. So if you tag certain things transactional, right? Like Amazon, your package is on its way. When you unsubscribe from Amazon, they will still send you that, right? And here, this is where an email studio, all the details are. Send classifications, reply, mail management, email optional features, right? Test send thresholds, subject pre-header validation, right? Can you expire a URL? All those kind of things. And then under B is the mobile studio, right? Where it's like, is it mobile connect, mobile push in the message, etc. Right, next. Here is pixel enablement. You enable a pixel for tracking. It's embedded in the background of an image like this. It reports back all the kind of things here. Here, on this one, it's linking Google Analytics into and Salesforce into cloud. So you can do reporting in Google Analytics and Salesforce into it. There's the link email for Google Analytics. Sandbox, production or email. C, basically managing tracking parameters. And now here is A, B, C, Google Analytics, Web Connector, and that's it. Marketing Cloud is studios, builders, and Einstein. It's business unit oriented, SQL heavy, and you can pixelization for tracking.